Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to add the data analysis toolkit to Excel. It's called an add-in, so I'll show you how to do that. So what we're looking for is when you click on data, we want to be able to see data analysis right here. All right, and then we can perform different procedures using Excel. And here's the full list of procedures we can perform. Okay, so let me show you. If you don't have it yet, let me show you guys how to add it. So you want to go to File, then you want to go to Options, then go to Add-ins, and then you want to go down to where it says Excel Add-ins and click Go. Click Go, and then this is what you should see. You should see Add-ins, Analysis Toolpack. Go ahead and select that very first one, okay? And it might look a little different based on which version of Excel you have. So just look for the one that says Analysis Toolpack or something similar to that and click OK. And once you do that, you should see data analysis showing up here.